life-changing power. I live by the faith of the Son of God, who loved me, and gave himself for me. Galatians chapter 2 verse 20. One day, by a simple act of faith, I decided to take Jesus Christ at his word. I could not come by way of the intellect alone. No one can. That does not mean that we reject reason. God has given us minds and the ability to reason wherever reason is appropriate, but the final and decisive step is taken by faith. I came by faith. Does it work when a person comes, repenting of his sins, to receive Christ by faith? I can only tell you that it worked in my own life. Something did happen to me. I didn't become perfect, but the direction of my life was changed. I found a new dimension to life. I found a new capacity to love that I had never known before. Prayer for the day. The day I received you, Lord, it was a childlike act of faith. My whole life was changed.